Want to know how some YouTubers are raking in millions from ad revenue alone? Today, I'm unveiling the most lucrative YouTube niches that can turn your channel into a cash cow. I'll dive into the secrets behind these high-earning niches, share insights from creators who are pulling in over $30 per 1,000 views, and reveal how you can achieve the same level of success. Plus, I'll expose the major mistake that's killing your ad revenue and how to avoid it. But first, let's answer the question, what makes a niche profitable? You know, there's this idea floating around YouTube that if you just pick the right niche and boom, you're rolling in ad money. But guys, it's not that simple. Take the finance niche, for example. Everyone's drooling over it because creators like Joshua Mayo are raking in $21 RPMs. Sounds sweet, right? On the flip side, you've got folks writing off gaming as a dead end because of supposedly low RPMs. But hold up, that's not the whole story. Truth is, there are gaming creators out there crushing it with $20 RPMs on their videos. Yeah, you heard that right. So here's the deal. Picking a high-paying niche isn't some magic ticket to YouTube riches. It's way more complicated than that. There are a ton of factors at play, and RPM is just one piece of the puzzle. Bottom line, don't get caught up in the hype. What really matters is creating killer content that resonates with your audience. Do that, and the money will follow no matter what niche you're in. So you're probably wondering, what's the secret sauce to making a niche really profitable? Well, it's not just one thing. It's actually a combo of 4 key factors. But let's start with the biggie, your audience. Now, I know AdSense can sound like a bunch of mumbo jumbo, so let me simplify it for you. Basically, advertisers are in a bidding war to get their ads on your videos. They're willing to shell out cash for every 1,000 times their ad is shown. That's what we call CPM, or cost per mil. Here's a quick example. Say a brand's paying $20 CPM and their ad gets 10,000 views. YouTube's pocketing $200, and you, the creator, you're looking at about 30 to 50% of that. That's your RPM right there. But here's the kicker. Your actual CPM isn't set in stone. It's all about who's watching your videos. Think about it. Someone watching videos about investing probably has more cash to splash than your average gamer. That's why you see finance channels raking in those sweet RPMs, while gaming channels might not be hitting the same numbers. Okay, now get this. It's not just about what your viewers are into. It's also about where they live when they watch your stuff. So if your audience is mostly from places like the US, UK, or Canada, you're in luck. These folks usually have more cash to splash around, which means higher CPMs for you. But it's not just about geography. Things like gender, hobbies, and what people do for a living can make a big difference too. Here's a fun fact. Women tend to spend more on products than men. And think about it. A 16-year-old high school kid probably isn't dropping as much cash as a 40-year-old real estate agent who's killing it. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Are you ready for this? Some creators are pulling in over $30 RPMs on content for kids. I know, right? Sounds crazy? So you're probably wondering, how the heck are they doing that? Well, it turns out the secret sauce is all in the content format. Get this, your longer videos and stuff people watch on their big TV screens? That's where the money's at. We're talking way more ad revenue than videos people watch on their phones or computers. Why? It's simple. TV ads are usually longer and harder to skip, so advertisers are willing to pay more. Plus, when people are chilling in front of their TV, they tend to stick around longer. So here's the kicker. Even if you're in a niche like gaming that people think doesn't pay well, you can still rake in those sweet RPMs if you play it smart. Target those TV viewers and make longer videos. Trust me, it works. For example, videos that are 30 minutes or longer. Allow creators to place more ads, sometimes up to 9 times more ads than an 8-minute video. This strategy not only boosts ad revenue, but also increases watch time, which YouTube loves. Now, I can already hear you groaning, but dude, 30-minute videos? That's gonna take forever. I get it, I really do. But here's the thing, you don't have to do it all on your own. There's a whole world of AI tools out there that can make your life way easier. These tools, they're game changers. They can help you pump out content faster than you ever thought possible. We're talking scripts, editing, even generating ideas. I bet you're excited to learn about these AI tools, right? Well, get ready. In the next video, I'll tell you all about them. I'll show you which ones are actually worth using and how they can seriously speed up your video making process. You won't want to miss it. But before you start making longer videos, there are a couple other things to consider: the view ceiling and the ideal ceiling of your niche. The view ceiling refers to the potential size of your audience. If your niche has a small audience, it doesn't matter how high your RPM is. You won't earn much if your videos only get a few thousand views. On the flip side, a niche like finance has a massive view ceiling because tons of people are interested in making money. The idea ceiling is about how many topics you can realistically cover in your niche. For instance, if you're in the sports niche, you have almost unlimited content ideas because games are happening all the time. But if you're in a niche like YouTube education, like mine, there's only so much you can talk about. Eventually, you'll run out of new ideas or have to repeat the same ones. Now let me tell you the story. Just imagine this. You've hit the jackpot. You found this insanely profitable niche, right? We're talking endless views, tons of video ideas, and the works. You're uploading like a machine. Your videos are blowing up and the money's rolling in. Life is good. You're on top of the world. Then bam, out of nowhere, you get slapped with a copyright strike. This isn't just some hypothetical scenario. So here's the deal, folks. It's not just about finding a profitable niche. You got to think about the whole package. I'm talking about audience, content format, view ceiling, idea ceiling, and yeah, copyright too. It's like building a house, you know? You can't just focus on making it look pretty. You got to make sure the foundation is solid, the plumbing works, and the roof doesn't leak. Same thing with your YouTube channel. Make sure you're not just chasing the money, but building something that's gonna last. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Play it smart, play it safe, and you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. All right, that's it for today. I hope this breakdown helps you choose a profitable niche and avoid the common pitfalls that kill ad revenue. If you want to dive deeper into how to grow your YouTube channel and boost your earnings, be sure to follow me for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.